Welcome. There is a very good news for all of you. Numaligarh Refinery Limited (NRL) has issued recruitments for graduate engineer trainee. So I will give you all the details. So there are 6 seats for civil, 20 seats for mechanical, 11 seats for instrumentation, 8 seats for electrical, 10 seats for chemical, 5 seats for computer science, and 1 seat for metallurgy. So this is a very good vacancy. Numaligarh Refinery Limited. The website address is www.nrl.co.in. So, and you have to go to the career section. Again, I am repeating, www.nrl.co.in, www.nrl.co.in, and you can fill the form online only from 24th July to 13th August. So from 24th July to 13th August there will be online form, and the best thing is that the fees is 500 for general, OBC and EWS, but the fees will be refunded fully if the candidates appear in the computer based test. So the fees is 500 only, and it will be refunded when you appear in the computer based test. So the eligibility criteria is the engineering degree of 4-year engineering degree, and it should be with 65% marks. So your mark should be minimum 65%. There is age limit, it is 30 years, 30 years. And there is, the best thing is that there is no experience required in this vacancy. So even if you don't have any experience, you can still fill the form. And the CTC is of about 18 lakhs. So it is a very good CTC, very good salary, 18 lakhs per year. There will be 1 year training of 1 year. 1 year training of 1 year. And the selection process consists of computer based test, personal interview, and group test. So group test will be of all the candidates. So the marks, their 85% marks are for the computer based test, 10% for the interview, and 5% for the group test. So the main 85% marks are for the computer based test. And the objective paper, the computer based test will be a objective paper. So there will be 4 sections. Section A will be technical, and the weightage of section A will be 80%. Then the rest 20% will be section B, which is general knowledge, section C, which is English language, and section D, which is your reasoning and numerical ability. So all these B, C, D, 3 sections of general knowledge, engineering, English language, and reasoning. General knowledge, English and reasoning will be of 20% weightage, and 80% weightage will be of your technical, your subject objective paper. And there is minimum qualifying marks also. So for CBT and for personal interview and for group test, that is for the computer based test, for interview, and for the group test, the minimum 50% marks, 50% marks minimum are required. Then only the candidates who has 50% marks will be selected. So, and there is a 3 lakh security bond obviously. So this is a very good vacancy for graduate engineer trainee. Again I am repeating, for civil 6 seats, for mechanical 20 seats, for instrumentation 11 seats, for electrical 8 seats, for chemical 10 seats, for computer science 5 seats, and for metallurgy 1 seat is there. So fill the form fast. It is from online from 24th July to 13th August. So today is 23rd July, and the form is from 24th July to 13th August, 13 August. And the website address is www.nrl.co.in in the career section. So best of luck, and if you have any doubt, you can message me. I will solve all your doubts. You can message me if you have any query regarding any of the topics, and if for any doubts you can also message me. Thank you and best of luck, and please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.